Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from your partnership account, and this problem will come for 20 marks. You will find this question on page number 242, problem number 6 from your Telugu Academy textbook. Let's see what the question is given. Vasu and Dasu are partners sharing profit and losses equally. So there are two partners called as Vasu and Dasu, and they are distributing their profit and losses, sharing their profit and losses equally. Now the balance sheet has been given like this. As on 31st March 2020 was as under: on liability side, creditor outstanding expenses, general reserve. That general reserve is distributed to both the partners, and also capital accounts of Vasu and Dasu. Asset side, cash at bank, sundry debtor, stock, furniture, machinery, buildings, and profit and loss account on asset side. So if profit and loss account is given on liability side, we need to distribute to the partners. Also, if it is mentioned on the asset side, that also distributed to both the partners if it is given on asset side as well. Let's see how to solve it. The details of the remaining problem will be like this. They decided to admit Mr. Sonu. So there were two partners, Vasu and Dasu. Now one more partner called as Sonu. He has to bring 1,25,000 rupees as capital and also 30,000 in the name of goodwill. 10% depreciation on machinery, whereas 20% appreciated on buildings. Provide 6% on bad debts on debtors. Let's see how to solve the problem. Cash at bank is given. So write cash at bank. Don't write the amount, write here to balance brought down. How much? 15,000 is given in the question. 15,000 is the cash at bank mentioned. Sundry debtors. So sundry debtors, how much? 40,000. 40,000 sundry debtors, 6% provision, or you can say bad debts. Bad debts at the rate of 6%. 6% of 40,000 is 2,400. Minus this 2,400 from 40,000, you will get 37,600. Stock, no adjustment on stock. Stock is 80,000. Furniture, furniture 10,000. Machinery, having adjustment on machinery. How much machinery is given? 50,000. 10% depreciation, minus depreciation at the rate of 10%. 50,000, 10% depreciation 5,000. Order column 45,000. Next, buildings 70,000. How much is buildings given here? 70,000. And 20% appreciation. Add appreciation at the rate of 20%, which is 14,000. Order column 84,000. Profit and loss account is given on asset side. We need to distribute to all the partners, both the partners, which is Vasu and Dasu, equally. And that should be shown on debit side of partners capital account, because profit and loss account is given on asset side. Let's see the remaining liabilities here. Creditors 20,000. Outstanding expenses How much outstanding expenses? 10,000. General reserve we need to distribute to the partners. Now, anything decrease in assets shown on debit side of revaluation account. So 6% bad debts, 2 bad debts, 2,400. Whereas machinery also depreciated, 2 machinery, 5,000. Appreciation of building, yes, by buildings, how much? 14,000 appreciated. Anything else is there? Nothing. So 14,000 minus how much? 5,000, 6,000, 5 plus 2, 7, 7,400. 14,000 minus 7,400. 10 minus 4, 6. 13 minus 7, 6, 6,600 is the revaluation profit. Let me check once. Yes, so we need to distribute that 6,600 revaluation profit to Vasu and Dasu equally, which means 3,300 to each partner. To Vasu's capital account, to Dasu's capital account, 3,300 to each partner, because it is distributed between these two partners equally. Total is 14,000. Total is 14,000. Goodwill, how much goodwill is given here? 30,000. So to Vasu's capital account, to Dasu's capital account, 30,000 distributed to these two, which is 15,000 to each partner. 15,000, 15,000, and the total is 30,000. By cash account, how much? 30,000. By balance brought down, by cash account, by revaluation account, by goodwill account, by general reserve account, to profit and loss account. Why we are showing to profit and loss account here? Why we are not writing here in the by balance by profit and loss account? Because profit and loss account amount is given on asset side. So distribute and write here 5,000, that is divided into 2. Vasu and Dasu 2,500 each. Now brought down the balances of Vasu and Dasu, 1,20,000 and 1 lakh rupees, 1,20,000, 1 lakh. Sonu has to bring 1,25,000. So 1,25,000. Sonu, revaluation 3,300, 3,300 dash. Goodwill 15,000, 15,000. General reserve, how much general reserve is given? 20,000, which means equally in the sense 10,000 to each partner, 10,000 to Vasu, 10,000 to Dasu. Now total is, Sonu's total is 1,25,000, whereas 1,28,300. What is the total here? 1 lakh, 1,10,000, 1,20,000, 1,25,000, 1,28,300, 1,28,300. Whereas 1,20,000, 1,30,000, 1,40,000, 1,45,000, 1,48,300, 1,48,300. So on both sides 1,48,300, 1,28,300, 1,25,000. Here two balance carried down. How much two balance carried down? From this 1,48,300 minus this 2,500, 1,48,300 minus 2,500, 0, 0, 13 minus 5, 8, 7 minus 2, 5, 4, 1. So 1,45,800 is the capital of Vasu, whereas we have to minus from 1,28,300 minus 2,500, 0, 0, 13 minus 5, 8, 7 minus 2, 5, 2, 1. 1,25,800, 1,25,800, and this is 1,25,000. Let me check once. The capitals are, yes, correct. Now cash and bank account. Who is the new partner? Sonu is the new partner. So to Sonu's capital account, to goodwill account. Sonu's capital 1,25,000, whereas goodwill is 30,000. What is the total here? 1,25,000, 1,30,000, 1,40,000, 40 plus 30, 1,70,000 is the cash. By balance carried down, 1,70,000, 1,70,000. Here also show cash at bank 1,70,000, and the capital accounts of capitals of Vasu, Dasu, Sonu. Vasu, Dasu, Sonu. What are the capitals? 1 lakh. This is the capital of Vasu. 1,45,800. 1,25,800. And Sonu 1,25,000. If you total both assets and liabilities, it would be tallied. Then how much amount of the balance sheet total means 4,26,600. So how much is the total means? If you total this, 4,26,600. How much is the total now? 4,26,600 is the total. 4,26,600. This is how you need to solve the problem. There are two partners called as Vasu and Dasu. They are distributing their profit and losses equally. So what we have done is the admission of a partner, a new partner admitted into business, which is known as Mr. Sonu. And in this problem, what we have done, if the profit and loss account is given on asset side, distribute to the partners. If the profit and loss account given over there, distribute to the partners and write here to profit and loss account on capital account debit side. If it is given on liability side, we have to write here like general reserve. If profit and loss given in liabilities, write here. If not, it is given on asset side, means you have to write to profit and loss account and distribute to the partners. Rest of the problem will be same what we have done in the previous classes. Hope you understood. We'll continue in the next upcoming online classes. Till that time, thank you everyone.